Good day in the hall, I'm your host Will and Klavs and welcome back to another Mazda 6 video, 2010 Mazda 6 or nicknamed Jakuna. Now this time we're gonna sort out, name of this video and you saw the thumbnail. It's the airbag code, code 18. And how you can know that it's the code 18. Mazdas usually show it to you what is the code. So let's see it ourselves and let's count ourselves. Now this is the dash. Clutch in, green light. Now you will see this airbag light. Let's see how many times it flashes. So 1, pause, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a big pause. So it's 1 and 8, so 18. So this is the trouble code 18, and it stands for right here. Here should be an airbag light. So this bulb is out, and how you can confirm that it's fully out? Get your Mazda key. This is the keyless access, and at the back you have another key. Here's a tab, you pull and this key will come out. So you can see the tab up there is broken. So this is the key itself. And the problem is that this is not working. How you know that it's not working? Open the glove box. And right here where it's written, right here, it's written passenger's airbag on and off. Always on except CRS used. So if you switch this with the key to off, the passenger's airbag should be off and the light should be shining right now here. It should be warning you that the passenger's airbag is off. As you can see, there is nothing. And that code is for this light. So let me show you how we can fix that. All you need to do is get access. So you have to remove this trim, and this. And these are the tools what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver, trim removal tool, and a replacement bulb. You can use LED, you can use the standard ones, it's all to your preference. Let me show you how to do it. So let's start by popping the sides. Here a little more and here a little more. So this side is fully up. And now the other side. There you go, that sounds much better. There you go, there you go, that's lovely. That's the sound I wanted to hear. Yes, look at all this movement. That's what we need. Now right here at the bottom, you can squeeze it in here, somewhere in here, right here, and right here. Now it should come up and should be all loose. There you go, lovely. And you see how it's hold on. Now we can put this on the side where the glove box is. Here you can open by hand because the glove box is open, and you can actually pull it from, you can pull with your hand. Here comes the trim removal tool to help you further along. There you go. Close this. I can remove all this. There you go, lovely. See, you can unscrew this. This just screws. This all just wiggles about. See? This wiggles about, and this too. At the top, it's always difficult at the top, right here. See, right at the bottom. Okay, let's see if I can put the trim removal tool here. Yep. Now it's all free. So there we go. this is the light right here. You see here? See right this? So we need to fix this thing. Need to see what's wrong with it. The easiest way to get to this is removing these screws. I can see these screws are together. And if I'm not wrong, looks like all of this is holding this on. So what I'm thinking is to remove this screw right here on the bottom. This is the bottom. This is where the gear stick goes, where this goes in here. These two, and unplug the butt warmers. Make this as easy as possible. Press in the thingies because it's hard. You need to use some force. So both of the heated seats are switched off now. They're unplugged. One. Two. So now this should be loose. Yeah, it's moving, it's loose. Now let's do the bottom part. So this one and this one. Once I finished screwing this, don't lose the screws. Now it looks like here are two tabs holding this. See? Here's a tab and here's a tab. So I think we need to pry it up with the pry tool, like under the thingy, and yeah, and yeah, 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 baby, yeah. There you go, see? This all comes separate. Nice. That looks good. That looks actually pretty good. And now I guess it's only this. I can see that here is a tab, see? Right here. And on the other side there's a tab. So I think we can actually do it by hand. This tab is open. Remember how it goes. This, where is this knob? The writing is up right. So I'm holding this in my hand, see, with my finger. It's up. And this I can get maybe with the, or I can get this by hand. Just by doing this. Yep, by hand. So there you go. There's the troublemaker. This is what's giving you the code 18. This thing. And to remove it with the fingers you can't. You don't have access. So I see inside there. I don't know if you can see. There's a tab right here. And right here is a tab. So I think if we get the pry tool and we pry at least one, maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Oh, there you go. I was just an idiot. Use the arch for your help against the wall. There you go. There you go. Now it's out. Now you can get the bulb from here. See, the bulb is always here. If we look in the bulb, yeah, that's broken right there. So let's start the car and check. Yeah, as you can see, it's not working. As the car is running now, we can unplug. Let's plug in a replacement bulb. No, other way around. There you go. If we take the key and switch this off, the light goes off too. If we switch it on, light goes on. There you go. So we fixed the light. That's good. So now all we have to do is put it back how it was. You cannot mix it up. There is a special gap for it. There's a gap, so you can't put it the other way around. There you go. That plugs in there, that plugs in there, and that goes like that. Lovely. So let's double check. It lights up once you switch off on the airbag. It's off. Switch on. It's on. Lovely. Double checked. Everything's working. Now we can put this back in. I done it and got it. I freaking done it and got it. Let me show you. Need to align this and this with this together, with this snap and that one. And that's how it goes on. And then on the top, where the actual light, the screws goes in, you need to push the white one on top of it. So this, it sits in its hole flush. So that's the biggest pain in the ass. Now let me put the screws in and then we come back. Okay, all the screws are back in. There's a screw, right there are two, and two there are two. Now let's plug in the butt warmers. You cannot mix them up because they don't match otherwise. You cannot mix them up, see? One is going that way and one is going that way. So this is plugged in, and before we put everything back together, let's double check again. This should be lit up right now. And it's lit up. Very good. Now we can put everything back together. Now some of you will be asking, Willem, did it actually work? Did it remove the airbag light? That's not an airbag light, that's the seatbelt light. The airbag light was right here. So you can see, it did remove the airbag light. So that light was the only thing that was actually wrong. So you can see it's all fine. Next videos I'll try to fix both of those issues. That's the tire light, the tire pressure, and that's the key. But the key is not faulty. Sometimes it's on, sometimes it's off. So I'll do it in the next videos. If you liked this video and this video was helpful, of course, smash that like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye!